Hi children, welcome back to our EVS class. So, did you see a picture here? Do you have any idea about our chapter today? Yes. What is it? You can see a sea and a coast. Okay, so today we are going to see a new chapter in social, and the name of the chapter is the coastal plains and islands. Okay, so today we are going to see about the coastal plains and islands. So shall we start? So first, before going, what is a coast? Coast is a vast stretch of land along a sea. Okay, so here you have a sea, here you have a vast stretch of land, isn't it? That is called a coast. Okay, so in India you have around 7,000 kilometers of coastline. Okay, and it starts from Gujarat in the west up to West Bengal in the east. So when you see your map, okay, so this is your Gujarat. So the coastal plain, see, you can see sea here, isn't it? So it starts from Gujarat and completes in your West Bengal. Okay, is it clear? So these are the coastal plain. So this is your sea and this is the land area near it. So this is called the coastal plain. Okay. Now your coastal plain is divided to two parts. So what are the two parts? Western and eastern coastal plain. What are the two parts? Western and eastern coastal plain. So first we shall see what is a western coastal plain. Is it clear till here? A coast is a vast stretch of land along the sea. Okay, so it starts from Gujarat till West Bengal. So you have two parts. What are the parts? Western and eastern coastal plain. Okay, starting with western coastal plain. Okay, so as you saw in the map, okay, it starts from, see, this is your western coastal plain, which is lying towards the Arabian Sea, and eastern coastal plain which lies towards your Bay of Bengal. Okay, so your western coastal plain stretches from Gulf of Kutch. Okay, from Gulf of Kutch to Kanyakumari. Is it clear? And it has three divisions. So what are the division? Konkan coast, Canara coast and Malabar coast. So what are the three division? Konkan, Canara will be here and Malabar coast. Three divisions. Okay. So western coast starts from Gulf of Kutch to Kanyakumari. It has three division. What are the division? Konkan coast, Konkan, Konkan coast, Canara, Canara, okay, Canara coast and the Malabar coast. Okay. Now see the Konkan coast starts from Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. Okay, Konkan coast covers Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa. Canara from Karnataka and Malabar coast covers the whole of Kerala. Okay. Now many rivers are there. Few rivers of the western coast are Tapati, Narmada, Mandovi and Zuari. Okay. So all these fast flowing rivers. Okay. These are all fast flowing rivers. They join the sea and form estuaries. Okay. So what is an estuary? It is a funnel shaped outlet formed at the mouth of a river. Okay. What is an estuary? Estuary. Okay. So estuary is a funnel shaped outlet. What is the shape? Funnel shaped outlet formed at the mouth of a river. Okay. So in western coastal plain you can see sandbars, lagoons and backwaters. Okay, what are the things you can see there? Sandbars, lagoons or backwater. So lagoon or backwater are the shallow body of water. So here the water will be shallow. Okay. Now few of the states we saw already: Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Okay. So now we are going to see, here they have given a picture of backwaters of Kerala. Now we are going to see about the eastern coastal plain. Okay. So we saw western coastal plain is attached to the Arabian Sea. So eastern coastal plain is located near the Bay of Bengal. Which sea? Bay of Bengal. And they have two divisions. So what are the two divisions? Northern Sarkar Okay, what are the two division? Northern Sarkars, which is in the north, and Coromandel coast in the south. Okay, so two divisions. Which are the division? Repeat with me. Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Now, few of the rivers of this region, that is the eastern coastal plain, are Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, so these rivers also form lagoons. And one important question is the largest lagoon of India. Okay, the largest lagoon of India is the Chilka Lake. Which lake it is? Chilka Lake. It is located in Odisha. Okay, Chilka Lake is in Odisha. It is the largest lagoon of India. Okay, and another thing is the western coast and eastern coast both meet at a point, and that is Kanyakumari. Is it clear? So where does the western and eastern coast meet? They meet at Kanyakumari. Okay, now we are going to see about two important islands. Okay, so you can see two important islands. One is your Andaman and Nicobar Island, and the next one is Lakshadweep. So which are the two islands? Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman, Andaman. Andaman and Nicobar, Nicobar, Nicobar Island. So this is a group of island. It is also known as Emerald Island. What is the other name of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Emerald Island, Emerald, Emerald Island. And the second group is called Lakshadweep Island. Okay, what is it called? Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep Island. It is the smallest among the Union Territory. Okay, so Lakshadweep is the Union Territory and it is very small. So Lakshadweep Island are also known as Coral Island. Okay, so Andaman is otherwise called Emerald Island and Lakshadweep is called Coral Island. Okay, so your Andaman and Nicobar lies in which sea? Bay of Bengal. There you have deciduous and evergreen forest. Is it clear? Now we are going to see about the Lakshadweep Island. So Lakshadweep Island, what is the other name? Coral Island, isn't it? It is in Kerala. Okay. So they lie in which sea? Arabian Sea. Okay. So Lakshadweep is in Arabian Sea. Is it clear? Now the next one is the climate. So coming to the climate, it is tropical humid climate. Which climate do you have there? Tropical humid climate. Okay. And you have two different seasons. Southwest monsoon, which brings rain during June to September. Okay. Southwest monsoon brings rain during June to September. And East Coast receives the next monsoon, that is during October and November. Okay. And mostly this island will have a moderate climate. Islands are having moderate climate and they are called maritime climate. Okay. Islands is having a moderate one climate, that is called maritime climate. Okay. Now the next one is, yes, the people of the region. Okay. So you can find tribal people there, isn't it? So it is a very fertile region. The coastal plains are very fertile and they have a very pleasant climate. So when you have fertile soil and good climate, what the population will be very large there. Okay. So in eastern coast, most of them are farmers. Okay. Eastern coastal plain, the people, the occupation of the people, they are mostly farmers. But in western coast, they are fishermen. Okay. And others, few of the others are also good handicraft people. Okay. So the island of Lakshadweep and Andaman are mostly inhabited by tribals. By whom? Tribal. Okay. Now which are the major port? Okay. You can see. What is a port? See, did you see a picture here? So it is a seaport. Okay. So port are cities with harbors where the ships are anchored. So when you see, go to Cochin, you can see, isn't it? Many ships will be there. It will be harbored there. Okay. So ports are cities with harbors. Okay, so the cities which have harbors where the ships are anchored, they are called port. What is the spelling? P-O-R-T. So which are the main ports? Kochi, Mangalore, Calicut, Marmago, Mumbai, Kandla. Okay, so they are all the major ports of the western coast. So in eastern coast, which are the ports? Haldia, Paradip, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Tuticorin. Okay, just keep in mind, in western you have Cochin, Calicut and Mumbai. In the eastern coast you have your Chennai, Haldia, Visakhapatnam or Tuticorin. Is it clear? So which is the biggest port in India? Yes, it is Mumbai. Don't forget children. Repeat. Mumbai is the biggest port in India. Okay. And name two ports which have shipping yard. Visakhapatnam and Kochi. Which are the two? Visakhapatnam and Kochi have shipbuilding yard. Okay. Now, the final one is what is the importance of your coastal plain. Okay. So, what is the importance of coastal plain and island? The first thing, as the soil is very fertile, it is mainly for agriculture. Okay. Second one, the coastal plains, isn't it? They are near the sea, so fishing is the main occupation of the people. Third, as these places are very beautiful, it is a tourist attraction. Okay, and many forest and biosphere reserves are present, like your Sundarbans, where you have Royal Bengal tigers. Okay, next, the seaport act as a trade place for other country. And finally, as you have a good climate with large amount or good amount of rainfall, you have a large population. Okay, so with this we came to an end of this chapter. Read the chapter thoroughly, children. Thank you. Take care. Be safe and be happy.